Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how we can change the icon size on Windows 11. This is the scale of the items that we see on our desktop and in folders. Maybe you want to see clearer or to have more space. We'll also have a look at how to change the scale of the whole screen. First we will have a look at desktop icons. As you probably noticed, we made the icons larger. The first way to do this is by right-clicking on the desktop, hovering over View, and just selecting one of the sizes. We have large, medium, which is the default size, and small. I'm gonna go ahead and left-click on small, and this is how it looks like. And we also have the large size and the medium. Another way to change the size of the icons is by holding the Control key on your keyboard and scrolling. If you scroll in, the items will grow larger, and if you scroll out towards you, they will become smaller. And these are the sizes that you can change the icons to. I'm gonna right-click on the desktop, hover over View, and just select medium icons to change them to normal. Another place where you can change the size of the icons is in Windows Explorer. I'm gonna go ahead and left-click on File Explorer over here in the taskbar. And here we have a button at the top that says View. If we left-click, we have different options. Again, we have large or small sizes, but we also have a list, details, tiles, and content. These offer a different structure. For example, the details will also show you a few rows with different properties, and you will see their value in the list. So you might find this useful. And you can also do the same by left-clicking Control and scrolling in or out to make the items larger or smaller. And this will just toggle between the different options that we have here at the top in the view. Another thing that you can do, I'm gonna open the C drive, is you can set the same view to folders of the same type. For example, let's say you want to set the view to details. If you want all the subfolders to have the same view, you need to left-click on the three dots over here at the top, and then left-click on Options. Over here, go to View, and then left-click on Apply to Folders. It says, do you want all folders of this type to match this folder's view settings? You can left-click on Yes. And now if we have a look, we will see that all the subfolders also have the details type of view. Lastly, we need to mention that you can also change the scale by right-clicking on the desktop, left-clicking on Display Settings, selecting the monitor you want to change the scale for over here, and if you scroll down you will see scale and the size, and you can of course left-click and change the scale of everything that you see on your monitor. Okay guys, that's it in regards to making icons larger or smaller in Windows 11. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.